Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share my Saturday morning makes hosted by Jill Norwood. And I'll link her channel down below for everybody. Today I wanted to share my Christmas cards this year. I'm like really late on them, but this is what I created. Okay, so this is an A2 side card. I used some red paper as a layering piece. Here's an embossing folder from my stash. And it's a Sizzix embossing folder. I have quite a bit of these. I need to use them more. I used a ribbon from BJ's. I just love how vintage it looks. This is a die cut from Memento. Poinsettia dies, and I love these dies. I have the Spellbinders one, but they were a little bit too big, so this was perfect. So I cut them out in green and red cardstock, and then I added some bling. And then I also distressed the edges, and then I used this stamp. This is like, I've used this so often. But I love it. And that's it. That is my my card for this year. Then I've watched several different ladies on YouTube of making gift card holders, especially from Stampin' Up. They do a lot of those. And so I found one that I liked, and I'll link that video down below as well. So it's a really cute style with a belly band. I know I'll talk about how I decorated it, but it's a really simple gift card holder. And this paper that I used for all four of these cards is from Hobby Lobby. Let me get it. And I believe it's from this paper pad, the Winter Berry, and I think I got this last year when they were you know how they go on sale and stuff, and I went ahead and bought that, and I want to use what I have, so I used that. And then the belly band is another piece of the paper, and then I punched out a scallop circle in the background, and this is an old Stampin' Up scallop circle punch. These are they're not wood veneers, but they're wood pieces. That's a snowflake. I used some twine from my stash, and then I added these charms that I bought from Hobby Lobby last year, and I just love how they turned out. So this one has a snowman. This one has a Christmas tree. Not cute. They just turned out really cute. This one has some jingle bells. And then this one has a little stocking. So that is my Saturday morning makes. I want to thank everybody for stopping by, and I want to thank Jill for having this open collab. Lots of inspiration. Go check us out, or not check us out, but check out everyone that is created for Saturday morning makes, and the hashtag is SatMornMakes. If you want to see other inspirational videos, and you can also find them on Instagram, and then there's a Facebook page too that's SatMornMakes, I think. I could be wrong. But yeah, I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.